Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Boult Audio Loop earphones. So let's take a look at the box. We've not really got any specifications on the box. So let's open this up. Anything else inside the box? Yes, we do have a little something in there. And let's keep this box aside. So what do we have here? We've got a little card with their media, social media, and we've also, this is basically the warranty card where you need to register in order to actually claim the warranty. So let's keep that aside and come to the earphones themselves. So as you can see, it looks quite nice in the packaging. These are actually, oh, this is the design, that's why they're called the Boult Audio Loop. So let's get them out of there. So we've got a little bag here, we've got extra earbuds tips basically. So this is the large and the small, and the medium are currently on the earphones themselves. We also got a little clip here to attach the earphones to your t-shirt or your collar to basically prevent it from swinging around, which is nice. Let's keep that aside, take a look at the earphones themselves. So here you have the Boult Audio Loop, and you can see where the name comes from. It's actually got a loop design, and these loops actually double as wings in a way, which basically help keep a secure fit in your ears, but they're completely adjustable. So if you do not want them, you can completely pull them out and just use them without, or if you do want them there, you can just simply pull them out and you have makeshift wings, which is quite nice. We don't know how this would work or fit in the ears, but probably does. You also got angled tips, which provides a more comfortable fit, and we've got an inline remote with a make receive button and a mic, and it's got the Boult branding on the other side, and we've got a somewhat angled 3.5 mm jack at the other end. So yeah, there you have the Boult Audio Loop earphones. Thanks for watching.